Hey guys, and welcome back to my laundry room / closet. It is a disaster, and that's why you can only see like from here over. I have got resale stuff in the floor. I have got donation items in the floor. I've got a jacket I've got to pack up and ship. So everything over here, yeah, it's kind of messy. I'm trying to like block that off. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm going to go through my thrift shop haul with you today, and I share with you some things I found. Took my daughter with me, and I was hoping that we would video while we were thrifting because she is hilarious, and I think it would have been really entertaining, but she begged off and was like, please, no, Mom, I don't. So, unfortunately, none of the great running commentary that you would get if she was around. But I did score some great finds, some for myself, some to resale, some for her, and unfortunately she took them to her house, so sorry, can't show you those. So in no particular order, I'm just going to dig through the bag and pull things up and show you what I found. Alright, green is my favorite color, so anytime I'm scanning the racks, green really stands out to me, so you can imagine that this caught my eye. This is a green Patagonia puffer coat. It's a men's. It is size medium. I absolutely love it, and if I needed a coat, I would keep it for myself. It fits my husband because he tried it on, and it might get put in his closet. I don't know. My intention is to resell it. Here's one little snafu that I ran into. When I was at the store, it was on the hanger, and it was hanging up, and it was zipped, and I just ran the zipper up and down, and it was fine. I didn't unhook the zipper all the way. And when we got home, it's got two teethers missing, which means it will zip, but it's kind of a battle. So I'm a little ill about that. Ill at myself, not ill at anybody else. Ill that I missed that. Because it will zip. But you kind of have to hold your mouth just right and jump those two broken ones. And I see, you can do it. You got to know what you're doing. So if I decide to list it, I'm definitely going to take a hit on the price because that is a flaw, and I'm going to have to tell people, you know, that the zipper's a little janky. I've had zippers replaced in things before, and I'll just take it to the dry cleaner and they'll put a new zipper in. I'm not going to do that for this coat, but it's got a couple little spots on it where you can see that it has been loved. You know, the sleeves aren't the greatest, but I'll clean them up. And it's either going to get listed for sale or it's going to go in my husband's closet. But I thought this was a great coat. I was pretty tickled to find it. Actually, just going to put it over there. Y'all, I'm having a day. I'm having a week. Just my life right now. A little stupid. So forgive all this. Alright, let's see what I got next. Update. It's a couple hours after I filmed that video with my thrift finds, and I am looking like death, but I am back out here because I went ahead and posted that Patagonia coat. I took pictures of the zipper. I made detailed pictures. Hey, the zipper's jacked up. You know, I explained it very well. Put a fairly decent price on it and just got an offer and sold it. So I'm really stoked. The universe, thank you, thank you, thank you. That was awesome. So, alright, this was full price. So was the Patagonia. It wasn't on sale. This is a really cute Lily Pulitzer for Estee Lauder bag. Seashell print. It looks great. It has no flaws. Doesn't look like it's been used. I thought it was really cute. Make a great little beach bag. Probably going to list it for sale. I won't make much on it because this was full price, but I'll show you in a minute what I'm kind of hoping and thinking. There's a plan. There's a method here. Okay, I'm back. Found this lily top. It is just a cute polo shirt with the green palm tree. It is an extra large. It was on sale today. So I'm going to list this. It's in great condition. You know, almost like new. It is like new. I'm going to list this and suggest in the listing that maybe they need a cute bag to go with it. You know, I think that would work. This shirt's really nice. 96% cotton, 4% spandex. What else did I find? If you happen to watch my closet clean out video, it's when I organized all this over here and made it make sense again. I commented that I don't have a black t-shirt and that I need a black t-shirt. So it's good to know what you need and what's missing in your closet. That way when you find it, you can pick it up. So this is for me. It's just a Massimo black tank top, or excuse me, t-shirt. It's got the high-low hem, which is great if you want to wear leggings because it kind of covers your bootay. It's got, I don't think this is going to show up because black doesn't ever video well. It's got like the rough hem on the sleeves and around the neck and then at the bottom. And it is an extra small, but it's really oversized. Because that's a good size, extra small. So this is for me. I'm pretty happy about that. So if you're not familiar with shopping at GoodWill, at least here where I live, they have the different color tags, and every week a different color is on sale. I've been watching this t-shirt for a couple weeks, wanting to get it on sale because I think it's really cool. I am going to list it. It's LOL vintage. But like a lot of things that I purchased, I like it. So if it doesn't sell, you know, next summer, it's not going to hurt my feelings. It is so, well, clearly, it's so lightweight you can see through it. But I think it'd be a great layering piece. Put a cami on, put a cardigan on. Really stoked that I finally caught that on sale. It's only been in my possession for a few minutes, and it's got one of my hairs on it. Or two of my hairs on it. That's just a bonus. Freebie with purchase. This is another just basic t-shirt. It is Cynthia Rowley. It is that color that you ask yourself, okay, is that yellow or is that green? It's just a V-neck, really soft. I just thought, again, it's a great, just basic piece. I mean, I'm not going to make a fortune on this because it's just a t-shirt, and who gives a lot of money for t-shirts? But, again, weirdly enough, this is one of those colors that I can wear. So if it doesn't sell, it's okay. It'll go in my closet. It was on sale. It was an orange tag this week, so I was excited about that. Okay, the last piece that I have to show you today, it is new with tags. It is Fabletics. And Fabletics is an athleisure wear company. You know, they have workout clothes and they have stuff. I have so many feelings about this. I can't decide if it's genius or hideous or what it is. But it is the Demi Lovato Fabletics Darmaravest, I don't know, size medium. So, it's got a zip up, hood, mesh. So, I mean, it's kind of cute. At first when I picked it up, I was like, oh, this is hideous. But then the more I've held it, it's got the drawstring bottom. The more I've held it, I'm like, you know what? That's actually kind of cute. You know, put you a little black sports bra underneath. And in the summer, throw this on, go run your errands, go to the grocery, go stand at the Kroger deli counter for 30 minutes. But you're not overly hot. So, I guess that's not a hood. I mean, if that's a hood, that's a really small hood, right? Let's see here. I guess it's just like a cowl neck. Not a hood. Scratch that. Not a hood. Cowl neck. But anyway, this was an orange tag, so it was on sale today. I thought it was pretty cute. So I'm going to probably try to get this stuff listed within the next day or two. I got a lot going on the next couple days. That Patagonia is giving me fits. I'm a little upset with myself for missing that zipper issue. But if you want a great price on a Patagonia jacket, I'll sell you one. You just gotta work that zipper a little bit. So I hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching my little thrifting video. I hope that you hit the like button. I'd love it if you'd hit the subscribe button and stick around for all things life improvement. Bye guys, stay strong.